Good morning. I'm Eric Oosterhouse with Paragon Ag Advisors. The grain markets have spent most of the last few weeks trading a range as everyone waits to see the net result of our most recent meeting with the Chinese. Another important item is the fact that now the government has been reopened, at least for a few weeks, is that we'll finally receive some USDA reports regarding supply and demand, as well as exports. The monthly supply and demand report on February 8th will include information from the January USDA reports that was delayed. With all this information coming out, as well as the uncertainty over the result of our meeting with the Chinese, it's no wonder the markets are proceeding with caution. It's likely the biggest mover in the grain markets in the short run will be in the soybeans, depending on that outcome with the Chinese. If we come out of the meeting with little progress made, it's likely that soybeans trade back down at least to the bottom end of our recent range, if not retest our September lows. If we get good news, we likely see a knee-jerk reaction higher. The real question is whether that soybean market has the staying power to stay there, or do we trade back to our bearish factors of world and U.S. supply? It's likely there's a lot of sellers out there in the weeds on old crop beans, and that might also be another limiting factor. Corn seems to be in a comfortable range and feel that some upside is still warranted, especially if we see that higher move in beans. Basis has been steady to strong, showing good demand. Wheat continues to struggle along as the U.S. waits around to pick up some exports. And at least until we see some weather or some other factors to trade, it's going to be difficult for that to move ahead. Finally, on the upcoming USDA report, most believe we'll see a friendly acreage number on the wheat. As always, if you have any questions on these or any markets, call us today at 888-452-8751. Have a productive day.